Welcome back to Breakhart Orchard. We are working on the home build today with the Sips house. I am by myself, and my plan today was to do headers, just put together 4 headers. That was my whole objective for the day. Not very ambitious. When I got here, I was chasing around things I had to clean up and doing a little bit of farm work, farm maintenance, do work on some machines, change the oil in the generator. The weather has changed a little bit. We've started getting some storms rolling through, dumping a little rain on me every once in a while, and then it goes away. I have 1 header put together and about 3 hours of daylight left. I think I can get the others put together. I've got a window back here that I'm toying with the idea of throwing up because it's small pieces. And if I can catch it when the wind isn't going crazy, I can probably do it myself. I've got the top piece that the header goes into. I'm about to sink it in there. Hopefully this won't turn out to be a foolish thing for me to try to do. I'm gonna throw a little tip out here for anybody who does this and you're using any kind of a gun to do sip seal, especially if you're using a battery powered one. To put that sip seal in, 2 days ago, I did not puncture the end of the sausage casing after I stuck it in there. And the pressure that built up blew the end of it out, and that little metal piece right there, I thought I had gotten it out when I was cleaning out the tip, but I hadn't. And I was fighting it for days, for 2 days, trying to figure out what was going on. I took it completely apart yesterday, and I still missed the tip that was in there. I lubricated it with a silicone-based lubricant. Finally, I took it apart again, completely cleaned it out, and I found that tip in there. So that clogged it up and was making it not feed well. It was costing me a lot of time. Well, this one's a little bit more interesting. The way this one sits in, the skins are offset a little bit, the back end of it, because you have a fir post that actually sits into the wall. So I'm going to mount this in this one, get it seated in there as tightly as I can, and then I'm going to put them all together. because the skin is not even over there, you can't just lift it up from that direction. It falls inward. So I'm gonna have to muscle this a little bit. I tried to stand it up, but because the skins are offset so that a post can fit in there, when you try to stand it up from the other side, it wants to fall in one way. So I'm just gonna have to lift it, and to just lift it, I gotta get up underneath of it. Not a problem. I'm gonna get up underneath of it and basically squat the thing up and then sort of press it. We'll see how that happens. All in the damn foam. That sucks. What did I do with the foam gun? I smeared the foam all over the place. That's crap. I got mud on it. Let's do this. Good. All the rest of the way in. Well, that went in. Push the foam in, but it went in. It's pretty good. Well, that was so ridiculous, I'm almost embarrassed to put it out there on the video. Ambition. Too much ambition. I should have probably just stuck to making the headers. The only reason I didn't make the headers is because I've actually got to dig some of the panels out from the bottom of the stack to get the proper measurements from the way that the plans are laid out. And I didn't really feel like moving them around by myself, so I figured I would do this. Got one header and 3 panels, 3 small panels, but 1 window built. It's done, it's in. We will move on to the next one. Well, tomorrow is supposed to be rain all day, so I won't be here. Probably spend some time at home. Wife and I will go out to dinner, do some of the things we haven't been doing because we've been here the whole time. I've got to go ahead and put some plastic on top of that so that the rain doesn't get in there next to that wood and start soaking into the OSB. And I realized that right up the top there on that one that we put in yesterday, I did not put any plastic, so I'm going to take care of that today as well. Hope y'all come back and check us out again. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join us, and we'll see you guys next time at Break Hard Orchard.